today I'm going to color these roots because as we can see, they're getting pretty gray. I've been coloring my hair at home for years, and this is by far the absolute best formula I found for covering up these grays. So I'm gonna try this IGK permanent color kit, and I'm excited. I love a good dark brown. It's just to cover these roots so it'll match the rest of my hair when I'm done. All right, so let's get it here. It opens like a book, which is really cute. And look how cute this is. It's like all the instructions are built in. It's like right there. I don't have to like unfold some crazy large piece of paper. And then next, I like to like section my hair into 4 sections. It makes it easy to like apply. Now that my hair is nice and sectioned off, I want to apply some protector just to protect my skin around the edges. Now I'm gonna like mix some color with some activator. Okay, so now I'm ready to apply this color. Here, I like a generous amount. And then you want to blend it into your grays like this and make sure it's like really saturated. Okay, so now that I've got all of the color in my hair, I'm going to set this timer right here for 45 minutes. Starts now. She's back. Got full coverage and no more gray roots. Got curl definition. Looks smooth and shiny. It smells great. I'm very happy. It's so cute. Bye-bye, grays.